Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going with 30mm Ditra and all set Schluter cement. You're going to need a roller and a pan and a primer for your concrete. You should always primer your concrete just in case, because it's a new house and it helps keep the moisture in. So if you see my videos, you know that I pre-cut everything, set it aside, and then start working my way from the front to the back. So you should always vacuum, wash your floor, wait for a few hours, then use the primer. So in this situation, guys, because it's a long stretch, what I would do is wet my floor again the following day and then start installing. So I would go about 4 to 5 feet with my cement and then start laying my Ditra 4 to 5 feet and then lay the Ditra and keep continuing that till you hit the end wall. The reason why I do that is because I don't want my cement to dry up fast and I want a good bond. So just work it that way all the way to the back. And if you see my Ditra installs from previous, you know that I always use a Ditra trowel when I do my installs. And the next day, you know that I'm going to start flashing this as well. So just hang tight, and I've got some interesting things to tell you about this job. Thank you and have a good day.